is for the Canadian American Championship. What that means is that bout will be defended between a Canadian and American. Introducing first from Surrey, British Columbia, weighing 261 pounds. He's your current TCW Canadian American Champion.
Never a good sign when the champ comes out first. Never a good sign. I got it to Dave, you got it to me. Okay. I just didn't know what to do. No problem. Nice. That's why I was going like this. I was going to wait until they pop out. I was going to go up there and get it. Put it right between. Yeah, right. Hang it there. Just when we thought we were being professional. So close. I don't like them already.
So I'm puzzled. Bishop, I got a question for you, Daddy. When you're up in Canada, you're 6'5", 250, you're a monster. And here you're listening to these idiots.
Yay!
I'm proud of you in Canada. Here, you're a disgrace. So what's going on, man? What's going on? I don't think you understand. I'm the Pan Am champion. I defended this belt month after month successfully.
You haven't been here long enough to mock American flag.
Hey, I'm really injured. Leave me alone. I'm much better now, thank you.
He's better than Hosaka.
Anyway, the fact of the matter is, I do it for all of these fans.
Yay! Suck it up. Wait,
Stop going soft.
Let's not talk about soft here, buddy.
Let's not talk
oh.
So, I'll tell you what, you can take all your trash talking and go to the back and watch what I do to my opponent tonight. I don't need you. I'm doing the man.
I'll leave. You can be my manager. He'll be back. I'll leave. Get Brown as a point. I'll see how the bitch does it on me.
I'm glad we won't see him again this match. the back.
Ladies and gentlemen, his opponent. He hails from Olympia, Washington. Weighing 240 pounds.
The whole reason I made a pivot so I could catch the hug. Dash, 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 dash. Dash to the future. Dash, 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 dash,
Give me a hug.
I'm trying to get it. Oh, no. Hug, 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 hug. And, oh. Yeah, come on. Mike Hugchenko. Oh.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this match is for the Canadian American Championship.
He hurt me.
Bishop. Don't trust that ring. Shut up. Don't trust the ring. Shut up. Surprises! Don't trust the ring! Shut up! I've been working on it! Shut up! I got this, let me tighten her up! Shut up!
Hug the rep! 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 Hug the rep!
Listen to me, love me like there.
Hug him! It's very free.
That should be powerful with this tonight. French fries and gravy! Make it loud!
Biggie wow! Biggie wow! Biggie wow! Biggie wow! Slobber knocker! Slobber knocker! What?
Do something already!
For a guy named Dash, you sure are starting kind of slow. Hey.
Out of the corner.
Hug him.
Chop, three.
Hug him. Corner hug. Corner hug. Corner hug. Corner hug. Corner. Oh. High five. High five. No, nothing.
One of you, please turn heel.
Clean break. Come on.
We need a hug.
Yeah. Like a broken shoe, we need a heel. That's kind of like a hug. Macho Man approves of the tassels.
Yeah, he does.
I know, but they're close.
It's like a dark Macho Man. It's a no Macho Man.
Exactly. There you go. Why so angry? Why so angry? Oh. That's weird. Oh. Whoa. Steamboat's proud. Steamboat's proud. Steamboat's proud.
Steamboat's proud.
No, not really.
John is mine.
Hug it out. Hug, 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 hug. Give him a 5-second friendship. Oh, wow. Sportsmanship, sportsmanship, sportsmanship sucks. It's overrated. Shake my hand, kiss my ass. I know. Now we're going. Now we're going. Come on. Come on. We don't want no clean breaks to Layla.
That's kind of a hug.
A prison hug, exactly.
Your QT likes in the prison setting.
Oh!
Get him out of the
Oh!
Still on the corner. Oh, look out! Somebody hug him, he's been hurt. Come on, I'm gonna need you to get back in the ring. He can't, he's hurt.
I think he hit a wall.
1. Come on, I need you back in the ring. 2.
He needs you back in the ring.
4.
Different show. Different show.
5.
He's halfway there.
6.
60% of the way.
7. 8.
Did you say 9 is in no? His name's Cole, he's not supposed to be clean.
Come on, Dad.
Michael Cole Bishop.
Oh, no, 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 no. Oh! You just got tossed, son. Yeah, that's...
Stole his own move.
You gotta yell when you do it. Followed up a pinfall with the pinfall.
Yeah! 1, 2, 3!
Dash up, dash up, dash up, dash up, dash up, dash up, dash up. Oh! Now give us the cat fight. There it is. Yeah. I'm confused. Who do we? I never get face versus face matches.
1, 2, 3.
Every other. They call that a back breaker, not twosies. Oh! Dude, why would you want to kick out after that?
Come on! Dash up! Dash up!
Dash up!
Call up! Call up! Call up! Call up! Call up! Bishop! Bishop! Bishop, 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 Bishop. Oh, they're saying Bishop, not Dash Up.
Slobber and offer. Slobber and offer.
Nobody likes the refs tonight.
The ref hitting did not phase him.
1, 2. Count in metric, he's Canadian.
Dash.
Bishop, Bishop, Bishop. Cole, 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 Cole. Oh. No!
Hit the double axe handle!
Bring it, brother! Dig it!
Watch the hair. Watch the hair.
Give him a Slim Jim.
Come on. Get him out of here.
Slim Jim.
Slim Jim. Oh! I bet that stung. Bishop, 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 Bishop. Oh!
I'm sorry. I love you.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
That's it!
It's an American too, so it's worth 1.5 Canadian.
Classic sign guy.
Classic sign guy. Classic. Flying elbow. Come on. Do it, brother. Oh, he bombed.
It's a Diesel Bret Hart thing. It is Diesel versus Bret Hart.
Diesel Hart.
Diesel Hart. Diesel Hart.
It's Memorial Day weekend. Don't mention bombs.
TCW Canadian American Champion, Dash. and you rode to the top here at TCW. It's or nothing. I'm inside. You know it.
That's it. What's that?
Right now, or
Bishop, bomb him now!
Right there! That's the bishop that you will